and welcome. It's that time of the week where you sit back and relax while we get you all the action from B-Town. Over the next half hour, we'll tell you what happened through the week that was in Bollywood this week. Salman Khan is back in the news, and this time the actor is all set to host a show for a social cause but chooses to keep it under wraps. Details in our next story. Salman Khan is finally geared up to promote his film Jai Ho, and he initiated this promotion at Shilpa Shetty's dance reality show. Take a look at how the star is performing along with his co-star Daisy Shah. So let's find out from Salman how much he enjoyed being a part of this show.
It's fun to be on a show, especially if mood अच्छा होता है तो और भी अच्छा होता है ऐसा.
Well, Salman's enjoyment at an event totally depends upon his mood. And now that his mood is good, let's find out about him hosting a show for a social cause and how far is the news true.
आप एक नया शो होस्ट करने जा रहे हैं.
Neither did he say yes nor did he say no. He decided to stay mum on this one. While we all know that Salman is quite a straightforward guy, but since this time he chose to keep quiet, it might be possible that he will be hosting the show but wants to keep it under wraps till the final announcement is made. Moving on, when we asked Salu as to who is his favorite couple in Bollywood, then this is what he had to say.
Obviously मैं तो छूटी जाऊँगा क्योंकि एक ही तो आदमी है बॉलीवुड में जो सिंगल है आजकल.
Huh? Can we hear that again?
Obviously मैं तो छूटी जाऊँगा क्योंकि एक ही तो आदमी है बॉलीवुड में जो सिंगल है आजकल.
Well, let Salman enjoy his singledom. But for now, let's find out who is his favorite B-Town jodi.
अमित जी और जया जी की जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी जी, एंड धर्म जी और हेमा जी की जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी. और माधुरी जी और नीले जी की जोड़ी अच्छी है.
Well, we hope Salman too finds a good partner, and next time when he talks about Bollywood joris, it's about him and his partner. On the other hand, we have Priyanka Chopra, who reached late for an event and also got miffed for being compared to SRK. Take a look in our next story.
आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नाम लूं ना?
नहीं,
या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं जवाब दूं? या आप चाहते हैं कि कोई तमाशा बने?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं,
होने नहीं दूंगी.
Well, after all, which was the question Priyanka Chopra tried to avoid?
आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नाम लूं ना?
नहीं,
या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं जवाब दूं? या आप चाहते हैं कि कोई तमाशा बने?
नहीं, बिल्कुल
होने नहीं दूंगी.
Why did Priyanka lash out at the media when she was asked about hosting an awards night with a particular actor?
मैं किसी के साथ भी ये कर सकती हूँ. That's my job.
And linking up with whom made Priyanka change her path?
मैं पहले भी लेट आती थी, मैं पहले भी टाइम पे आती थी. मेरा एक्चुअली डिपेंड करता है मूड पे. इस बार मेरे मूड पे नहीं था. इस बार शूटिंग की वजह से हुआ, जिसके लिए मैंने अपोलोजाइज कर दिया, जिसका किसी और से कुछ लेना देना नहीं.
Well, the media kept speculating about Priyanka's connection with a top star, but Priyanka continued to ignore. Well, yes, this is what happened at an upcoming award night's press conference where PC was the face of the brand. But as soon as she reached there, she had to face this big question that has she replaced Shah Rukh Khan? Is she trying to follow King Khan's footsteps by reaching late at event?
तो इससे पहले लेट सबसे ज्यादा इवेंट्स में आते थे शाहरुख खान. और
आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नाम लूं ना?
नहीं,
या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं जवाब दूं? या आप चाहते हैं कि कोई तमाशा बने?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं,
होने नहीं दूंगी.
बस खाली इतना
खुश
जानना चाहता हूँ आपसे.
मैं हंसती रहूंगी.
And that was the big question for which PC reacted this way. And apparently she felt that a big deal was being made even though she didn't want that.
आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नाम लूं ना?
नहीं,
या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं जवाब दूं? या आप चाहते हैं कि कोई तमाशा बने?
नहीं, बिल्कुल
होने नहीं दूंगी.
Well, we're not sure if the question about replacing SRK was something to be made a big deal about. But looking at Priyanka's trenchant reaction, one thing is for sure that the actress is definitely hesitating to talk about it.
आपके सबसे फेवरेट को-होस्ट कौन रहे? कोई भी होस्ट कौन रहा है फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स के लिए?
मैंने तो होस्ट ही नहीं किया. अच्छा जनरली
कौन आपका फेवरेट होस्ट रहा है?
I think अच्छा, अभी मैंने बोल दिया तो मुझे पड़ेगी, क्योंकि आई कैन से इट आफ्टर आई हैव होस्टेड.
आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आप और शाहरुख अगर को होस्ट करते इस शो को तो रोमांस मस्ती कुछ ज्यादा हमें देखने आता, मजा आता ज्यादा देखने में?
मैं किसी के साथ भी ये कर सकती हूँ. दैट्स माई जॉब.
आपने जैसे कि कहा कि आज थोड़ा लेट हो गया आने में, ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा थी.
नहीं, मैं शूटिंग कर रही थी.
आप शूटिंग कर रहे थे? शूटिंग कर रहे थे आप. तो इससे पहले लेट सबसे ज्यादा इवेंट्स में आते थे शाहरुख खान. और
आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नाम लूं ना?
Well, we're not sure about the media, but one thing is clear that PC is surely worried about any further controversies that could arise by SRK's name being mentioned. But looks like PC has forgotten that it's not always best to stay mum. Now, will this incident really create any more controversies in PC's life is something we'll have to wait and watch. Moving on, looks like B-Town's Brawny Johnny is not yet ready to make the big announcement of his wedding. Well, find out why in our next story. It was a court marriage registered with the local registrar in Los Angeles. We don't believe in any particular religion. Ours is an extremely secular family, which is why John and Priya decided to go for a court marriage. Traditional rituals only cause a lot of confusion. After this quote from John Abraham's father, it's clear that the actor has tied the knot with his girlfriend Priya Runchal. But looks like John wants to still keep his wedding under wraps, because when he returned from his holiday in Los Angeles, media expected him to spill some beans about his wedding. But surprisingly, that did not happen. Forget talking about his wedding, he did not even interact with the media. Well, we're wondering what is John planning, as on one side, his father and family members have already made an announcement of their court marriage, and on the other, John is not ready to speak at all. And some days back when John spoke to Zoom, he had revealed that he's a private person, and when he gets married, no one would know about it.
See, I'm so private कि अगर मैं शादी करूँ भी, I don't know whether anybody will really know.
Well, John did exactly what he said. He got married to Priya in Los Angeles and nobody even got to know. But interestingly, the actor gave a hint to his fans on a social networking site where he wrote, "Wishing you and your loved ones a blessed 2014. May this year bring you love, good fortune and joy. Love, John and Priya Abraham." Look how he has called his girlfriend Priya Abraham. Now after this, isn't it clear that they have already got married? But all we are waiting for is to hear it from the horse's mouth. But if sources are to be believed, John is soon planning to throw a big party where the who's who of Bollywood will be invited. And that's when the official announcement will be made. But it seems there's a delay as the actor is waiting for Priya to return from Los Angeles. The source even revealed that as soon as Priya returns to Mumbai, they will host the grand party. Now we're sure that the entire B-Town must be eagerly waiting for the party. But John, even though you're a little delayed in throwing the party, you can at least make the official announcement till then. Don't you think so? Time for a short break on Bollywood this week. But when we come back, evergreen actress Madhuri Dixit's exclusive interview on Zoom. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You're watching Bollywood This Week. We cornered actress Madhuri Dixit for an exclusive chat on Zoom. So let's listen in.
Hi Madhuri, welcome to us for the first time. So thank you so much for being on my show.
Thank you, my pleasure.
You know, Dheeraj Kiya has a very interesting star cast, and you and Naseer Saab together. But we heard that you were shy about working with him. Tell us why and how.
I just said the shyness was not like shy of working with him. But the first shot that we gave together, because, you know, I admire him as an actor. And when you are working with someone who you've admired, it's a little, you know, you're like, okay, I'm working with this person.
Yeah.
And not that we haven't worked before. We did Rajkumar, where he was playing the villain, you know, and it was a completely different sort of a movie. It was a costume drama, over-the-top kind of a movie. But this is more realistic, and I'm paired opposite him. So the first shot was a little, you know, But after that, it was fine.
Now, how is it working with someone who has been your fan, like, for example, Huma Qureshi? She's a fan, she's grown up watching you, and suddenly she's working with you. On your part, what do you do to make people feel comfortable?
Well, the thing is that they compliment you and they're, in awe of you or whatever, and you just make them feel at ease, and, they say that, hey, look, you might have looked up to me, but I'm finally a human being.
Yeah.
Like my husband says, we all wear pants one leg at a time. There's no other way to wear it. So, we're just human and we're actors. So let's, come back to the brass tracks and let's not get carried away with that.
But it's very difficult for you to shed your diva-like image. That's what you always have been. And you maintain that.
So, yeah, I mean, diva and everything is for people,
Right.
But for me, I'm just a human being, and, when I meet people, I don't think, oh, I'm a diva or whatever, or I'm a star, or, I don't have that in my mind. I'm just meeting people.
Yeah. I guess that's what most actors say about it, that, the beauty about Madhuri Dixit is that your humility. So how do you really stay grounded, Madhuri?
I think it's the way I've been brought up.
Yeah.
My parents are responsible for that, because they've never let me feel like anything else but a daughter or a sister, and now a wife and a mother.
At home, you're not a star.
No, not a star at all. It's like far from it. My mom still can scold me and say, why didn't you do that or whatever,
Yeah.
So we're very, very normal otherwise.
Yeah. The first part of this movie, the prequel, was very bold in many ways, very sensual. So when you offered this film, when you read the script, what was your first reaction?
Well, it's a lovely role.
Yeah.
I loved the way Begum Para is portrayed. I love the way women are being portrayed now in movies.
Yeah, exactly.
I said in my other interviews too that they are not avenging angels, or they are not the victims, Now they are their own persons and their characters. And, just like in society, a woman is playing so many roles. You're doing the same thing on film. So when I was offered Begum Para, again, it's a character who's in a pursuit of happiness, and she's ready to compromise and give up anything just for that happiness. And she is many layered character. And so, I found that very attractive.
But according to you, which has been your most beautiful piece of dance in movies?
I don't know. Every little dance that I've
some
done,
of your favorites.
it's so close to me. I love Khalnaik song, Choli Ke Piche Ka. I love Chane Ke Khet Mein. I love Ke Sera Sera. So these are all, from different genres, and I love them all.
Yeah. You had this dream to work with Amitabh Bachchan. When do we see you all work together?
I don't know. We were supposed to work twice or thrice, and it never happened. So I think it'll happen when it has to happen.
And you also said that, if they
But I did do a song with him and Govinda. Two of the best dancers, like one on this side and the other.
Oh, right.
We did a song called Makhana.
Yeah, Makhana, right,
exactly.
absolutely, yeah. When do we see you work with Salman Khan? Because you've been saying, that's one actor we really like to work with again.
Yeah, like I said, the script should be right, and, it should be the kind of film I'd like to do.
Yeah. Now that you've moved back, Madhuri, it's been years. Now have you got totally used to living here again?
Well, I was always used to living here, because even when I did Jhalak, I used to fly down for months on end and then go back. And so for me, coming back to Mumbai was coming back home. So now I have two homes now.
Right. Yeah.
Nowadays, you find more and more people being like global citizens. Yeah. They're everywhere. They live here for some time. They live there wherever the business takes them, wherever their fortunes take them, or their goals take them. So they go there and they make a life, and it's no longer like, where do you feel at home? The world is your home.
Right. So do your children see more of you on TV now?
Yes, of course.
So how do they react to it?
Well, there was a time when they came running to me and said, "Mom, you're on TV."
Oh, really?
Yeah, and now they'll just sit and say, "Mom, you're on TV," and they'll start reading a book or whatever they do.
Really? But I guess back in US they weren't as exposed to what you would do.
No, not really.
Yeah.
But I like it to be. I like them a little innocent and little not with it and knowing, oh, this is my mom, and that kind of thing.
What is the most special thing about this movie, Madhuri?
Well, the special thing about this movie is, like I said, Kalu, Babban, Munia, Huma, and Begum Para. Kalu is in search of true love, and that's why he comes to Mahmoodabad in Lucknow. When Arshad Warsi comes here, he falls in love with Munia. He thinks it's true love for the first time in his life again. And Munia has a different agenda. And Begum is in pursuit of happiness, and she has a different agenda. So all these people come together, their lives clash, And, you know, that's how you get De Rishk Kiya.
So what do we see you in next after De Rishk Kiya? There's Gulab Gang.
Gulab Gang,
Yeah.
yes. Right now, Gulab Gang is something you'll see me next. And possibly Jhalak maybe this year.
Yeah.
And so, goes on.
We wish you sign more movies, Madhuri, because we want to see more and more of you on the big screen.
Thank you
so much. It was fabulous talking to you. Thank you so much for being on our show.
Thank you.
Moving on, Salman Khan seems to be all wooed by none other than Ellie Abram. No wonder then the actor has made her a part of his team. Details in our next story. Looks like these days Salman Khan is completely spellbound by Ellie Abram. Well, if sources are to be believed, then Salman Khan is quite open about his support for actress Ellie Abram. Salman has apparently told his team that from now onwards, Ellie will be a part of all his international dance shows and concerts. And this is not the only thing. There was already buzz about Salman signing Ellie for one of his films, and now this news. Looks like Miss Ellie has already got a grand entry into Salman's team. And now one thing is for sure, that Ellie's career graph is going to rise high in B-Town. Because once Salman makes a commitment to help someone, then he leaves no stone unturned to promote that person. In any case, Ellie has already told Zoom that she considers him her mentor.
आप सलमान की फेवरेट रही हैं। सलमान ने हमेशा बोला है बिग बॉस में कि एली उनकी फेवरेट हैं।
हाँ, अगर मैं उनका फेवरेट हूँ तो या ऑब्वियसली इट्स वेरी फ्लैटरिंग अगर ऐसा है।
Well, Ellie, we hope your dream to work with Salman Khan comes true very soon. Time for a short break on Bollywood this week, but before that, we'll leave you with these interesting visuals of Dabu Ratnani's star-studded calendar launch. Welcome back. You're watching Bollywood this week. We cornered actress Priyanka Chopra and Sonakshi Sinha for a candid chat on Zoom. So let's listen in.
मेरे साथ में है प्रियंका चोपड़ा। उनसे बात करते हैं। पहले तो नए साल की बहुत बहुत बधाई।
आपको भी
बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं आप।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
दबू की कैलेंडर में होना सबके लिए बहुत एक्साइटिंग बात होता है। आपके लिए कैसे रहा?
वेल सबसे स्ट्रेसफुल बात होती है क्योंकि हर साल नए नए कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ करने पड़ते हैं। अब इतने साल मैंने कर लिए कि कॉन्सेप्ट की हर साल क्या करें, वो सबसे स्ट्रेसफुल बात होती है कि अरे बाप रे दिसंबर आ गया, डब्बू के कैलेंडर का टाइम एंड डब्बू सेंड मैसेजेस, ये वाला अच्छा लगा, वो वाला अच्छा लगा, ये करें वो करें। But I'm happy to have been part of so many of his calendars and it's been a great journey and I hope he continues to do a lot many more.
प्रियंका, आप बहुत क्रिएटिव पर्सन है, हमेशा डिफरेंट करते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं। जब ये फिल्म चॉइस की बात आई तो व्हाट वाज योर माइंड कि इस बार आपके सब पास भी कोई इनपुट था दबू के लिए?
वेल हमारे लिए एक स्टोरी थी एक्चुअली। मैं सेल्फीज लेना बहुत पसंद करती थी, तो हमारी स्टोरी थी कि इतने सारे फोटोज हो गए, एक भी अच्छा नहीं लगा।
दबू, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बिकॉज शी इज गॉर्जियस इन ऑन कैमरा, शी इज वेरी फोटोजेनिक, तो व्हाट्स योर चैलेंज फॉर दिस टाइम फॉर प्रियंका?
Challenge is basically to outdo our previous shoots. So हमने she's been a part of the calendar since 2002 and you know, so to outdo के इतने we've done so, it's been a long journey. In fact, I've known her since before her first film release, you know, and we used to work out in the same gym.
Yeah, I know.
So every time we shoot, we try to push ourselves to the next level, evolve करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि सब कुछ नया करें, कुछ जो पहले नहीं किया है वो करें. So I think this time we've achieved something which is very new, which we've never done before.
Right. प्रियंका, आप बहुत मैंने हमको देखा आप हॉलीडे पे गए थे, आप बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स आपने निकाले थे. व्हाट वाज द पूरा कैसा रहा हॉलीडे आपके लिए? काफ़ी टाइम बाद लिया था आपने.
हाँ, एक्चुअली मेरे पूरे करियर में पहली बार मैंने इतना लंबा हॉलीडे लिया. एंड आई थिंक इट वाज अ लॉन्ग टाइम दैट आई नीडेड इट. एंड इस साल स्पेशली बहुत मुश्किल साल रहा है मेरे लिए, तो मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ गई थी एंड इट वाज रियली ग्रेट. वी हैड गॉन टू द कैरिबियन एंड इट वाज वेरी नाइस.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा का न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस क्या है?
मेरे तो बड़े सारे रेजोल्यूशंस होते हैं, जनवरी में ही तोड़ देती हूँ मैं. इसलिए मैंने
क्या बनाया था?
कर दिए हैं.
कुछ बनाया था
कि मैं काम जरा आराम से करूंगी, लेकिन आते ही आई हैव गॉन बैक इनटू वर्क.
एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड मारी कॉम. तो टेल अस कि कितने एक्साइटेड है उस फिल्म को लेकर एंड कब वो फिल्म क्या कैसे क्या और कहाँ तक?
मैं तो स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हूँ, आप लोग एक्साइटेड हैं. ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. अभी फरवरी में शूट शुरू होगी एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट.
थैंक्स सो मच प्रियंका हमसे बात करने के लिए. मेरे साथ में है खूबसूरत सोनाक्षी सिन्हा. 2014 उनके लिए क्या कैसा होने वाला है? लेट्स वेलकम और फर्स्ट वेलकम टू.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर्स.
थैंक यू. वी ट्राई डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट और शायद हम कामयाब रहे इसमें एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द रिजल्ट. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
मुझे सबसे अच्छी ये आपकी जो हेयर स्टाइल है वो लगी.
हाँ, वो एक थोड़ी पंक वाली हेयर स्टाइल बनाई है. थोड़ा लेदर जैकेट उल्टा पहन लिया है, योग कफ पहन लिया है, तो सोचा क्यों ना हेयर स्टाइल भी अलग करे कुछ. एंड वी डिड इट.
दब्बू के कैलेंडर में रहना आपके लिए कितना बड़ा एक्साइटिंग चीज़ है?
उससे ज़्यादा आई थिंक उनके साथ शूट करना, उनकी फैमिली के साथ शूट करना मुझे बहुत पसंद है, क्योंकि दे ऑलवेज मेक मी फील लाइक आई एम एट होम. एंड बहुत मज़ा आता है उनके 3 बच्चों के साथ, मनीषा के साथ, दब्बू के साथ. एंड वी ऑलवेज कम अप विद समथिंग एक्साइटिंग. तो आई रियली लव बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ इट.
एंड 2014 में हम सोनाक्षी को कौन कौन सी फिल्मों में देखने वाले? क्योंकि 2013 भरमार रही फिल्मों की.
2014 में आप मुझे हॉलीडे में देखेंगे, एक्शन जैक्सन में देखेंगे, तेवर में देखेंगे. तो हाँ, फिलहाल अब तक उतना ही.
ओके. एंड व्हाट्स योर न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन?
माय न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन इज टू I think I've been working too hard and I've been doing too much. So I think I'm going to hold back this year and take some time off for myself as well.
Right. And New Year कहाँ मनाया, कैसे मनाया?
With close friends and family. I was in Bombay only and अच्छा quiet celebration था.
Okay. And 2013 में ऐसी जो चीज़ आपने की और अब 2014 में नहीं करना चाह रहे हो, और something you wanted to try something new in 2014?
ये सोचा तो नहीं है, but when I think I'll let you know.
Okay. And lastly, सलमान सेठ अर्जुन के साथ आपकी जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी लगी. He tweeted us so much. तो क्या कहना चाहिए?
उन्होंने कहा
He tweeted कि अर्जुन and
good then because हमारी फिल्म साथ में शुरू होने वाली है and if he thinks so, I'm sure a lot of other people will also think so.
Thanks so much हमसे बात करने की. सोनाक्षी, कैमरामैन मजीद के साथ.